Hey singers, musicians, rappers, and bands, what if I told you that there was a way for you to make 5x, 10x, or 100x more money with your music instead of sending your fans to Spotify or Apple Music, but sending them to something called a fan funnel instead? This could be the difference between you being able to afford a hamburger or a Tesla. A hamburger or a Tesla. A hamburger or a Tesla. That's a pretty big difference, y'all. See, even the cow knows it's terrible. And that's because Spotify, Apple Music, and all these streaming platforms literally only pay you a fraction of a penny when people listen to your music. And what can you buy with a fraction of a penny? Nothing, except for maybe dirt. But I don't even know if you can buy dirt, because have you been to Home Depot lately? Everything's really expensive. That's why I'm going to be showing you a better way. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm going to show you how to stop sending fans to streaming platforms that are paying you pennies and start sending you to something called a fan funnel where you can make real money with your music. This is a free training. Click the link below to register and I'm going to show you exactly how. If you're a singer, musician, rapper, or a band and you like to make money, this is for you. If you don't like to make money, this is not for you. It's simple as that. Click the link below to register so I can show you how to 5x, 10x, and 100x how much money you're making right now in your music business by changing just this one thing. This is free and I will see you there. Click the link. Yeah, 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 yeah. That was pretty bad. I should probably work on that. Click the link, yes. That was a little better.